Understanding unplugging, more than just disconnecting. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into a modern phrase that you might hear quite often, unplugging. It's not just about electricity. It's about our lives in the digital age. Stick around to fully understand its meaning and how you can use it. The word unplug literally means to disconnect an electronic device by removing its plug from an electrical outlet. Think of unplugging a charger from a socket or taking out the plug of a television. In the modern age, where we're constantly surrounded by screens, the term unplugging has taken on a deeper, figurative meaning. It refers to the act of taking a break from electronic devices and digital distractions. When someone says they're unplugging for the weekend, it means they are choosing to step away from their phones, computers, and TVs to reconnect with the real world. With the rise of smartphones, social media, and the internet, we're always connected. But sometimes, it's healthy to take a step back. People unplug to reduce stress. Constant notifications can be overwhelming. Improve focus. Distractions make it hard to concentrate. Reconnect. Spending quality time with loved ones without interruptions. Mental health. A break can help with mental well-being. To help you get comfortable with the term, here are some example sentences. 1. I'm unplugging for the evening. I'll check my emails tomorrow. 2. Sometimes, unplugging from social media is the best way to relax. 3. She decided to unplug during her vacation to fully enjoy the experience. And that wraps up our exploration of unplugging. Remember, in this digital era, it's okay to take a break and unplug every once in a while. It can be refreshing for the mind and soul. We hope this video has shed light on this term for you. Until next time, happy learning and don't forget to occasionally unplug.